Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, how are you all guys? Hope you all are doing great and feeling happy today. So in this video I am talking to something important. So this video is really helpful for your English journey. So please watch this video till the end. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, so ask in comment section. So start please. So I start this video. So now I am talking to you. Many people say कि where are you start? Where I am starting my English journey. So start from basic. Every time you say कि whenever you start your English journey, so it need basic. So there are lots of things you do, but if you speak, you first you need to speak. So start from two types of activity. First listening, second speak. You listen only English. Whenever you watch video, whenever you go outside, so talking to person in English. Sometimes you facing lots of problem कि I am talking to person in English language, but they are not talking to you. So sometimes you feel, but these things is happen everyone. Whenever you start your journey, whoever start your journey from this, so everyone facing this problem, everyone happen these things. If you not facing this problem, so you have no idea कि this problem is thinking everyone. So start from basic. Whenever you free, whenever you go outside, whenever you talking to strangers, and even your friend. Sometimes your friend is saying you कि भाई are talking to in English language, but you don't know. It doesn't matter think about yours. It doesn't matter think those कि why are you thinking me. This thing really happen everyone. So you no idea, you don't think about others, whether you friend, whether you strangers, whether you stranger, whether you speak in front of others. Just go outside and talking to anyone. If you talk to anyone, so 100% you boost your confidence. So I am saying you कि lots of people start journey, but start journey is easy, but start journey is easy, but constant working on in this burg, constant is very constant is very important whenever you do in your life. Some people start speaking, some people start spoke, but after 2 days, 3 days, after 1 month, stop this type of stop this type of things. Why? Because you have little bit knowledge about this particular things, so you feel I am very confident, I can do, my English is good. So this type of things, your English, you speak someone, so that time you feel my English is good, I can, my English is good, my English is fluent. So this type of thing is not need, because English is a process. Whenever you learn, so takes time. If you work in your, whenever you learn your mother tongue language, so this language is take lots of time. So first you have no any idea, but you start speaking now, you start spoken, you start your mother tongue language. Why? You listen more time, you listen many time of this language. Whenever you listen in those words again and again, so 100% you improving. If you like your mother tongue language, again and again listening of these sentences, again and again listening of these sentences, so you make your English So you make your your brain habitual. When your brain habitual, so you can speak easily. But sometimes you feel कि sometimes your brain is not habitual this kind of activity, so you can't speak fluently. So you need first of this kind of activity again, doing again and again. If you doing again and again, so you become fluent. Sometimes it's okay, but sometimes every time you speak wrong, so this is not good. Sometimes you feel felt embarrassed. Sometimes you speak in front of people, so you feel shy, scared speak in front of people. This type activity happen, this type of thing happen everyone. But everyone is which people speak English, which people learn English. So start speaking and talking to anyone. I giving of this kind of suggest you. I also watching lots of video in English. I watch conversation video. Whenever I watching conversation video, so I feel कि I'm learning some new things. So I'm saying you, whenever you free, so only watching again and again English content. Whenever you watch again English content, so you make feel confident. So that time you think कि I have lots of knowledge, I have lots of content, I can do it. Whenever you free, so start reading. Reading is more important thing. And explore yourself new things, explore new things every time, thinking, learning some new things, and start from basic level. You start from watching fluent people, you start from very advanced people, but you don't need, you start only for simple and loss of vocabulary people's watching. You every time you start watching advanced level, you don't need advanced, you start from basic. Whenever you watch this type of people, so you think कि I understood of those. First you understand of this thing. Whenever you understand of this thing, that time you realize कि and I understood, I can do it. But whenever but what you can do with you don't understand of this thing, so you can't speak. So so your brain is not habitual. So please start your journey from basic level. I always saying you कि you don't need advanced level. Every time you think कि people speaks fluently, people speaks, but I can't speak like you, like that, because they can do lots of work, they can do lots of practice for learning. They can talk to many times in English lots of peoples. So you need lots of people speak, you need talking to many peoples. If you talking to many people, so 100% you boost improving your journey. So you don't need think again and again कि I am not capable, I am not able to speak English. This kind is not good for you. So start and keep speaking, keep thinking, keep speaking again and again. Whenever you free, keep doing practice, keep learning some new things. But first you need start from basic. Every time you say, so if you watch this video, if you understood this video, please repeat again and again and watch this video. So if you have any question, if you have any idea, please if you have any question, if you have any idea, so ask in the comment section, and I will free to definitely give you a response. Of course, if you have any question, so you note down in comment section, 100% give you answer. So please watch this video till the end, and again you Thank you for your support, your love. Thank you for. I will meet you again next video. Okay, thank you.